Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI algorithms, from basic concepts to becoming a mini expert. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how much you know. Ready? Let's go. First things first, what even is an AI algorithm? Imagine teaching your pet dog new tricks. You show it how to fetch a ball, and with practice, it gets better and better. Well, AI algorithms are like instructions that teach computers how to learn and solve problems. Cool, right? For example, when you're watching YouTube and it recommends videos you might like, that's an AI algorithm at work. AI recommendation algorithm? Types of AI algorithms, made simple. Let's break it down into three main types, kind of like flavors of ice cream. Supervised learning. This is like having a teacher. The computer gets examples with answers and learns from them. For example, teaching an AI to recognize cats by showing it 1,000 cat pictures. Unsupervised learning. No teacher here. The computer finds patterns on its own. Think of it like exploring a new video game without instructions. Puzzle pieces fitting together. Reinforcement learning. This is trial and error, like learning to ride a bike. The computer gets rewards for doing the right thing. Robot getting a gold star. Real-life examples of AI algorithms. Now that we know the types, let's look at some awesome real-life examples. Self-driving cars. They use AI to understand roads, traffic, and even predict what other drivers will do. Ever ask Siri or Alexa a question? They understand your voice thanks to natural language processing algorithms. Gaming AI. Have you played games where enemies seem to get smarter? Yup, that's AI. A car, smart speaker, and video game. How to become an AI expert even as a student. You might be wondering, how can I get started with AI? Here are some simple steps. Learn basic coding. Start with Python. It's easy and fun. Check out free Python tutorials online. Try AI platforms. Platforms like Google's Teachable Machine let you create your own AI models without much coding. There are tons of student-friendly AI challenges and online groups. Explore, learn, build, fun AI experiment. Want to see AI in action right now? Open your phone's photo app and search for dog. Notice how it magically finds dog pictures. That's AI image recognition. Try it with other things like beach or food. So there you have it, the basics of AI algorithms all the way to becoming a mini expert. Remember, AI isn't just for scientists, it's for you, the innovators of tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more. See you next time. Keep learning and keep creating.